Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue of videos not opening on Google Chrome. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open web browser on your device. Here, I've logged in with my account and open a new tab. Then after, click on the three dots beside your profile icon. In the list, simply scroll below to go to Setting. In Setting, from the left-hand side menu, you will see the option of Privacy and Security. Simply click on it. After that, go to Delete Browsing History. After that, in the time range, choose the time range for which you want to delete the browsing data and click on Delete. After that, you will be able to fix your issue. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.